again at North Valley Forge, and we're on with some art project. We're helping Olivia Ratcliffe this week for art project from school at Primmett High School. That's it, Primmett High School. No, Park High, she's at Park. So, Vision War, one of them, I don't know, she's at school anyway. What we're on with, I've been given a brief, and it's 2 art sculptures with butterflies on a branch, and she's going to come in and paint them all up and do stuff. But what we've got, you've got some rose bar, so you've got 8mm rose bar, and I've got some 12mm rose bar in forge at minute. What I'm going to do is start upsetting the bars so that they look like proper branches and stems. So what we've got, squeeze them around there like that, tighten that up. I'm going to whack these. And what we do is start making them looking fatter on one end. And when they come out of there, I can start shaping these up a bit. And these are going to be branches that are coming off main stem. So some of them are big fat ones, you know, and they look like, instead of just welding them onto main branch, they look like they're actually coming out of the main tree. We've got another one there. I'm not going to put this as far. So it's got to get right gnarled up, like that. Pull that out. There. I'm going to give that, turning this round so it all looks all right, nice and real. And we've got the main branch, which is 12mm. So it starts off looking a bit like that on end. We're going to start setting it, put it in the machine. I'm just making that end bigger. So with the heat, so it will stick to thin. Did get this on a fair fashion, so we'll get this in here. See how that's getting fatter, bending that a bit. Just take that out there, shift them. Loosen that off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get it so it's standing up from that fat end. I'm going to put a bit of life into this main branch. And get it so that it's looking alright. Get a bit more angle going on that one. Bit of life coming off on this, so we can have it standing up. No, you want to get it, the movement, the more natural looking, the better. Just on with this, and I've got some. That's alright. I'll just quench that off. Already done. Take him over up to, well, hang on. Well, I've got some 4mm round, I've got some bright bar, come to about 100mm length. And for butterfly's feet, I'm just going to planish edges of these on here. So, consider that. That's them fattening that end out there. Get the other side of that and do the same again. And with that, I'm just going to, that's 1 foot of the butterfly. And just do the same again with that side. So I'm just going to blob all this lot together over here. And so that's them feet, and what I've done, mark it middle of that, and just put this in vice. Right up middle mark, that. Just gonna mark it here. And then you've got his legs like that. So we've got these. These are going to be butterflies. We've got some laser cut shapes here, like this. And what I'm going to do is put them together at a bit of an angle, like that, maybe like that, and we'll just weld them up. Tack that together. Now I'm just going to put a few tacks on the bottom of this. Get it nice and glued together. And then we get these little legs up on top at so he's got his little legs coming off here. That's going to be your ladybird, not ladybird, butterfly, isn't it? I don't even know the insects. So we've got main stem at with a branch there like that, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to tack that sort of down from there, so I can then make this stand up and get some branches coming off. Really gnarly stuff coming off here. Tacking these up. You see, because where they've been bashed about a bit and they're looking really gnarly and like a proper branch really, you know what I mean? So I've got that there. Get another one over here somewhere. We've got some leaves, so we'll get some leaves on. With some medium sized leaves coming off there. And basically have a butterfly somewhere like that. You know. Something like this, get it all polished up. And then we'll end up somewhere like this. The pièce de résistance, all polished up, nice and ready for her to paint up over Easter holidays. Hope she gets an A+ for this next week. So we don't just make gates, we do all sorts of installations. You know, give us a brief, we can make it for you. You can do what you want with it. So get yourself down here at North Valley Forge and make it Bob Swift. Hopefully see you next week. Ta-ra!